Good morning. So today we're going to be talking about polygons, concave and convex polygons. Concave means that they have a cave in them, like right here. So you think about like a cave. Here's kind of a cave I drew just to remind you what the outside world looks like during quarantine. So when you don't have a concave polygon, you have what's called a convex polygon, and we'll be exclusively working with convex polygons today. Both regular and irregular. Remember, regular just means that all the sides are the same, and all the angles are the same for a convex polygon. For this pentagon, we can split it into 3 triangles. Whenever you're trying to find the sum of the interior angles for any polygon that is convex, split it into triangles, and then multiply how many triangles you have by 180, because that's the sum of the interior angles for any triangle. So in this case we had 3, so we had 3 times 180, and we got 540. Now let's say you don't want to draw it out every single time. Well, if you have an n-gon or an n-sided shape, just take 2 away, just like 5 minus 2 is 3, and multiply by 180, and that'll always give you the sum of the interior angles. Let's talk about that with a hexagon. So this is a 6-sided shape, so we took 6 minus 2 times 180, and we got 720 for the sum of the interior angles. Now, if we know that that's what all of these add up to, let's add all of these up. So 2x plus 2x plus 2x plus 3x plus x plus 90 equals 720. So combine like terms. 2, 4, 6, 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10x plus 90 equals 720 minus 90 from each side. 10x equals 630. Divide by 10, x equals 63. This is the value of x. I haven't solved for any angle. I guess this angle is x, so I have solved for this guy, but I'd have to plug this x back in to find any of the other angle measures. Either way, whenever you're dealing with a problem like this, find the number of sides, take away 2, multiply by 180. That gives you the sum of all of them, and then just add all of them up and set it equal to that number. Okay, that's interior. Let's move on to exterior. The sum of exterior angles, or exteriors outside, is always 360. So if I have this pentagon, which has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these that equal 360, if I divide by 5, I could get the measure of just 1, which is 72. Now, this divide by 5 method only works with regular polygons. If you have a regular polygon, just divide by how many sides you have, and you get the measure of each angle. Here's another example. If we had a quadrilateral, that's 4 sides. We take 360, divide by 4, we get 90. Remember, that only works if they're regular. I'll help you in just a minute, buddy. Almost done with this video. Okay, last thing we need to talk about is if we have an irregular polygon. In this case, we have a 7-sided shape, also called a heptagon. Now, I know that the exterior angles all add up to 360. So I'm just going to add all of these things up. What's 2x, sorry, not 2x, this is x minus 2, x plus 5, x minus 2, x plus 1, x minus 3, 4 plus x, and x. So this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this equals 360. So I'm going to go ahead and combine like terms. I have 7x's, so 7x. And then I minus 2 plus 5 minus 2 plus 1 minus 3 plus 4 gives me a 3 in total. So 7x plus 3 equals 360, minus 3x from each side. And you'll get 7x equals 357. Divide by 7 on each side, and x equals 53. Again, I haven't solved for any angle, I guess except for this angle, which is x. If I wanted to solve for another angle, I'd have to plug x back in. So that's how you're going to solve for the sum of exterior angles for a polygon.